In 2026, coding isn't about how fast you can type, it's about how well you can direct. If you're still manually debugging every semicolon like it's 2010, you're not old school, you're just falling behind. Today, I'm giving you the 5-step roadmap to become an elite AI native developer before your next coffee break. Let's dive into it. Number 1, stop writing boilerplate. Seriously, your keyboard deserves better. Stop. With Agentic IDEs, hunting for bugs is officially a retired hobby. Instead of playing detective, use the global context hack. Just highlight that ugly red error and hit Command-K. The AI doesn't just slap a Band-Aid on it, it looks at your entire project to make sure your fix doesn't set the rest of your code on fire. It's like having a senior dev sitting next to you who actually likes answering your questions. Pro tip time. Don't be a vibe programmer. You know the ones, just throwing random prompts at the screen and praying to the server gods. In 2026, syntax is a commodity. You can buy it for pennies. Focus on the logic. Knowing how a system should work, that's the real flex now. Number 2, the ultimate stack. If you aren't using these 5 extensions, you're playing on hard mode for no reason. Prettier automatically cleans up your messy code so you don't look like a chaotic person. Error Lens screams your errors right in your face on the same line so you can't ignore them. Live Preview lets you see your web changes in real time without the constant refresh finger dance. Console Ninja puts your console logs right inside your editor so you can stop hunting in the browser. Better Comments turn your boring gray notes into a colorful, organized roadmap for your brain. These aren't just extras, they're your second set of eyes. Number 3. Use AI to learn, not just to cheat. When you hit a wall, say recursion or some weird framework logic, don't just copy-paste. Ask the AI to explain it like you're 5, or better yet, ask for a visual mental model. It's the fastest way to turn a heavy brain-melting concept into a light bulb moment. Another pro tip.
Another one.
Tutorial hell is a real place, and it's boring. Follow the 20-80 rule. Spend 20 minutes learning the basics, then 80 minutes actually building something. Break things, get frustrated, and fix it. That friction? That's the feeling of your brain actually getting smarter. Number 4, showcase your work. A project sitting on your hard drive is just a secret hobby. In 2026, if I can't click a link and see it live, it basically doesn't exist. Push your code to GitHub and deploy it on Vercel or Netlify for free. Your live URL is your real resume now. Show, don't just tell. Last one, master the prompt. High-quality code is just a mirror of your input. If you give a 1-sentence command, expect a 1-star result. Stop treating the AI like a magic 8-ball and start treating it like an intern. Give it context, define the limits, and set the persona. Master the prompt, and you master the machine. Coding isn't dying, it's just getting a massive upgrade. The people who adapt today are the ones who will be leading the teams tomorrow. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2026 survival strategies. Now, go build something cool. I'll see you in the next one.